Ah, sucks seeing your baby down like this, bro. Let's go ahead and go inside and see what's wrong with the car, man. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Too Slow Kurt coming back to you with another video, man. I got it back to back for you guys. So today, if you didn't watch the last video, we're going to go to the shop. We're going to go check up on the vet. We got into a situation like a couple days ago, and the vet's been down for like a week. Oh, no. As you can see right now, I'm driving my boy's car. He let me use his car so that way I can go to the shop and actually check up on the car and stuff like that. But we're gonna go check on the car, gonna check on the vet. The vet been down, like I said, and the shop said that they know what's wrong with the car apparently. So we're just gonna go figure out the situation and see how much this car is gonna cost me, or if it's just deemed totaled and I just gotta get a new car. If I do gotta get a new car, I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. You know, it's gonna be some pressure, probably gonna be a Z06. But let's see what's wrong with this car first. Let's see what's wrong with this vet first, and then we go from there, because everybody knows that I be putting in work on the vet. So we don't want it to be down, you know. Driving a vet is like just a legendary car in general, bro. So we're gonna see what the deal is with this car today. And I'm currently on the way to the shop. And if y'all haven't saw the last video of what actually happened to the vet, then man, go back and look at that video. It's the very last video before this one. So if you are new to the channel, man, please like, subscribe, stay tuned if you like where you at, man. And you know, we just gonna go from there. The vet is currently down right now, so I'm down bad right now. You see, I'm driving my boy's car, but since I'm so down right now, the only way we can go is up, bro. So you know we're gonna go up. You know we're gonna go up every time. So we ain't even worried about it, man. This is a minor bump, man. This is a little hiccup, bro. You know, it's minor setback for a major comeback. You feel me? I got big plans coming, man. I got big plans, and the devil trying to see me lose, man. The devil don't want to see me win, but you know we gonna win regardless, because we some ballers. You feel me? We gonna always win. We gonna always overcome the devil. You feel me? All right, guys. So as you can see, we're back at Tommy's High Tech Auto, man. Vet was over there, the diagnosis center area right there, a couple days ago. So currently, as I was coming into the shop, I seen that the vet was over here behind his truck. Long ass truck. I mean, shit, can't even get around it.
FBI, open up!
Oh my God, dog.
Alright, so as you can see, we got the Corvette right here. Damn, I zoomed in way too hard. But we got the Corvette right here, right? And apparently, I haven't walked in yet, so I don't know exactly what's going on with it. And I don't know why it's over here, but my baby, bro, my baby's sitting in the back area. And y'all know how he is, bro. We don't like to park forward, man. We like to reverse park, but it's all good, bro. My baby is down right now. Not only down, but down bad. Look at the 5%, bro. You can't even see inside. You can't see inside unless you get up on the window. And by the time you get up on the window, you gonna hear blah. You feel me? Yes, sir, bro. That vet, bro. Ain't nothing better than a vet, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Ain't nothing better than a vet. I ain't used to like vets like that, bro, but, bro, ain't nothing better than a vet, bro. You see, we got the drip on today, man. We got the drip on, feel me? But, sucks seeing your baby down like this, bro. Let's go ahead and go inside and see what's wrong with the car, man. All right, so let's see what Tommy's talking about, man. Let's see what they got going on for me today, bro. So we're gonna see what they got going on for me today, and just go from there pretty much. See the guy right here. What's up, boss man?
What's up, my man?
How you doing today?
Solid. How are you?
I'm alright. So, came here for the Chevy Corvette. Wanted to see exactly what was wrong with it and see if, you know, what's the update on it. The Corvette.
I like I mentioned before, I'm not your service advisor.
Oh, I got you.
Your inspector came out to take a look at the vehicle from your warranty company. So that would be the conversation I would get with Sid, and I think he's just in the shop going over some details. So as soon as I hear from him, I'll find out.
All right, that sounds good. So do I just wait in here, or?
Just make yourself at home, and then I'll let Sydney know that you're here, and he'll come get you and go over those details.
Cool. Anywhere I can check inside my car real quick? I need something in my car.
Absolutely. I just need to get with Sid because he's gonna have your keys. So I let him know you're here, and then he'll be right up to get you sorted out. Okay?
Sounds good. Thanks, boss.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so in this clip that I'm about to put next, where Sid, the service advisor, is pretty much telling me about what's wrong with my car, how much it's gonna cost and stuff like that. Sid did not want to be on camera, so I'm not gonna show his face, and I'm just gonna put clips of my car and stuff like that, but I'm gonna have his voice over those clips and stuff, so just listen pretty much to what he's saying. Alright?
They came out this morning. Guy did all his thing. I put the car back on the rack. He videoed and took pictures. I just got called because they said they were going to call me, but you always got to call them. So I called them. They said they did see that it was there. So he just now uploaded, got all the information. So now he said he was going to get with his supervisor. He's going to call me back in 2 to 4 hours, or either I call him in the AM. His name is Chris. And since it's over like 5K, they've got to some other people got to sign off on it.
Oh, but it is gonna be paid for?
It sounds, I mean, he couldn't tell me, but the whole reason they sent somebody over here is because they thought there was some kind of modification that may have caused damage, but they couldn't see nothing.
Right.
Yeah.
So it should be paid for, in essence.
Yeah, unless something weird happens or whatever. So hopefully, they call me in the morning, we'll get rolling on this. Best case scenario is be ready Friday if, everything goes good. It's a big job. I don't know if you really understand what all's got to be done. It's not like an in and out type deal.
Right, so you say it'll be done Friday?
That would be our best case scenario, but I mean, things could happen where we get stuck with a part, do something else. So this is, I don't know if you're familiar, this is what's being replaced.
All right, can I take a picture of that?
Yeah, I mean, basically we're replacing this and this whole thing. There's a drive shaft in here, and right inside here, it's like a knuckle that's it's looking like this.
All right, guys, real quick, if you guys want to watch those car meet videos that I'm putting up on the screen right now, then feel free to go watch those videos. They're going to be in the description as well. All my videos are good. All my videos got some really good content. So if you guys want to see them, go ahead and go watch those videos, man. Everything lit around here, bro. So y'all go ahead and let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man.
And it's kind of exaggerated, but it does this.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it's doing in the car, the vibration. So all that's all got to be replaced.
Okay, guys. So Sid didn't want to be on camera, as you see. So we're not gonna put him on camera or nothing like that. But he did say what he said, and as far as like repairs and stuff like that, it's gonna be a pretty hefty job. But they said it should be done by Friday. So basically, from that conversation, Sid said the inspector from the warranty of my car people came out, and they test drove the car and everything like that. So they should be, possibly paying for the damages, and I gotta just pay a deductible, $250. So $250 deductible if they do pay for it, and then we good, bro. We solid. They should be calling him back in about 2 to 4 hours. As soon as they give him a call back, then that's their green light to start working on the car. They fix it, the flywheel and drive shaft that they gotta fix. So we're looking at about $6,200. But we're gonna see the estimate right now whenever he comes back. So those who are new to the channel, I drive a 2015 Chevy Corvette Z51 3LT. It's pretty much souped up as far as accessories that can come on a Vet, because it's a 3LT, so it's a suede, it's a Z51 package, got the Brembo brakes and all that good stuff. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is pretty souped up. So all right, guys, so we're currently in my car. It started low-key raining a little bit, so as you can see, we are in the car now. We're not taking it home or nothing like that. We're just in it because I forgot something in here and I do need it. But we just jumped inside real quick because I ain't gonna lie, I missed sitting in my car. It just feels good. Everybody likes sitting in the car and stuff. But Sid said it's gonna cost us a little pretty penny to fix it, and I'm gonna go over the details and the paperwork that he just gave me in just a second. But yeah, man, as you can see, this is a 3LT, man. Pretty nice. I got some carbon fiber work going on in here. I got the paddle shifters and stuff like that. So, it's pretty nice, bro. I would do a little start real quick. Yeah, let me just do a start. Ooh, I missed this car, man. They need to hurry up and fix it. He said it's gonna be fixed by Friday, man. Damn, bro. Man. Go ahead and turn that thing off, bro. Man, I miss it, but we just gotta get something out this car. Let me get out this car before I start reminiscing, probably start crying and stuff like that. Damn, what they didn't do to my to my mirror, bro. Let me fix that real quick. But yeah, bro, so we're just gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'm gonna open up my trunk. Open up that trunk real quick, man. I'll get my selfie stick. Really all I needed was a selfie stick, but other than that, we good, man. We good on needing anything out of the car. So we just gonna go ahead and lock the car back up, and then we out pretty much. Let's see, give you guys, boom, boom. Yeah, so that's the 3LT right there, guys. I've done a lot of work to it, but this is my Chevy Corvette 3LT, bro. Looking like a beast, like a menace, like usual. You know, nothing new, but yeah, it's raining outside, so let me get back inside, bro. All right, guys, so right here we got the final results. As you can see, it says Tommy's High Tech Auto. I had to take off my name, like not my name, but my number and email and stuff like that. 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray, 6.2 liter engine, and this is the estimate of everything. Is gonna cost $6,021.60. We're looking at the general concern, grinding vibration while driving and revving motor, $125. I guess that's like the diagnosis. After remove and replace the drive shaft and flex plate, and that right there is $5,706.74. And we got the alignment, electronic steering, and lane detection, $149. The main concern was really this right here. That was the drive shaft and the flex plate, and that, you know, total is gonna come out at $6,021.60. As you can see right there, the back has the same thing, grand total balance due. And this is pretty much what they gave me, and they pretty much said this was what needed to be fixed. This is drive shaft and everything like that. So flex plate right here, drive shaft right here. He did send me a video of exactly what was going on with the whole situation, and whenever they uncovered everything, and they showed me like a video of how it's messing up and how it was wobbling and loose and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that video right here.
That's the shaft. See, it really vibrated on this one. Just do that. Is that your video?
But with all this being said, the Corvette should be finished on Friday. He said that they ordered the stuff and stuff like that, and all he has to do is pretty much just get the green light from the guy, and they were going to go from there. So $6,021.60 is exactly what it's going to cost us to fix it. Since I got the warranty, extended warranty and all that, it's only going to cost me $250 to fix it. You know, as far as my deductible from the $6,021.60. So the insurance and everything, not the insurance, but the extended warranty, pretty much the insurance is going to cover the remaining balance of this $6,021, and I only paid $250 of that. So what they're going to pay is $5,771.60, and I only paid $250 as my deductible, and that's if they approve it. If they don't, then I got to pay the full price of $6,021.60, which either way is going to be paid for. But, you know, that's what the Corvette has come down to, and either it's going to be history or it's going to be, you know, fixing everything like that. So other than that, if you guys are new to the channel, you know, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please leave a like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Like I said, we got more content coming soon. The car should be out on Friday, so that's another video coming soon. This is the second video in 2 days, so, you know, we dropping back to back. I got to get these bangers going on, but yeah, man, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, stay tuned because we got some more bangers videos coming out. Other than that, it's your boy Too Slow Kurt, and we out.
Everybody hate you, bitches, 'cause the players know. And love with the money, I ain't never letting go. my friend, I'm straight.